Think RC cars are just toys? Think again. These top 3 RC beasts from Aliexpress in 2025 deliver insane speed, off-road power, and beginner-friendly control without breaking the bank. Stay tuned, because number 1 will blow your mind. Get ready for adrenaline-pumping action with the 16,102 PRO 1-6 high-speed RC car. This 4-wheel drive monster truck is engineered for thrilling drifts and blistering speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour, making it an absolute blast for both kids and adults. With its eye-catching LED lights, the fun continues even after dark. Aliexpress reviews frequently highlight the incredible speed and responsive handling of this model, often praising its durability for exciting off-road adventures. It's the perfect gift to ignite a passion for RC racing, offering a high-octane experience that consistently exceeds expectations for its price point. Dominate the track and conquer any terrain with the SG-116 Max 1-16 high-speed drift racing car. Boasting a powerful brushless motor, this 4-wheel drive RC off-road car unleashes an astonishing 80 kilometers per hour, setting a new standard for speed and control. Its robust design is built for aggressive racing and impressive drifts, ensuring endless hours of excitement. Aliexpress users often rave about the superior performance of brushless RC cars, citing enhanced speed, longer motor life, and greater reliability. The SG-116 Max lives up to these expectations, making it an exceptional gift for young enthusiasts and seasoned hobbyists alike who demand top-tier performance and durable fun. Experience the pinnacle of RC versatility with the WLtoys 124016 RC car. This electric 4-wheel drive off-road truck races at an exhilarating 75 kilometers per hour, seamlessly transitioning between high-speed drifting, challenging climbs, and intense racing. Its robust build is designed to tackle various terrains, making it a truly multifunctional toy. Aliexpress buyers consistently laud WLtoys models for their impressive speed, rugged durability, and excellent value for money. The 124016 is no exception, delivering a thrilling and engaging driving experience that's perfect for kids and adults looking for a high-performance remote control vehicle capable of handling diverse adventures.